Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna work on Porsche Cayenne 2014 year model. This is GTS trim version with 105,000 miles on the clock. As you can see, this is your rear diff. We got the shaft, the axles going through over here from left to right here too as well. In this diff, this is your drain plug, this is your fill plug right here. On the previous model, on the previous platform, the fill plug, the drain plug is located right here underneath in the 958.1 platform. They moved it to this location. All right, let's get going. Let's get the fill plug out first. Always unscrew the fill plug before draining your fluid. Okay. That's not that bad. It came out very easily. So this is the fill plug from the Cayenne. It's 100,000 miles on it. Let's see how much gunk there is. Yeah, there is a little bit of material wear, but all the particles are very tiny. So I'm actually positively surprised. Looks dirty, but nothing too crazy. Like I said, I'm gonna do the rear differential change, flush, I guess 2 more times, so 3 times in total before filling up the 4th time, and finally and lastly to make sure that the fluid is cleaned and removes all the gunk from the differential. Okay, now time to do the fill plug. All right, decent amount of fluid came out. Same thing. Fill plug looks awfully nasty, full of material. Gonna proceed to cleaning this bad boy. And there's a decent amount of gunk probably on the inside, I'm assuming. Definitely flushing this thing 2-3 times. 2 is not enough, maybe even 4. Well, we'll see how clean the fluid comes out after driving 500 miles on this one. So I'm halfway through the filling up of the rear differential. This process is literally just as messy as the front, but hey, it was to be expected.